Discover the art of the perfect cake pops just in time for Valentine's Day. We're here to share all our secrets. Cake pops should be rich and moist with a dense truffle-like consistency. We also prefer ours to be adorably decorated. The good news is perfecting your cake pops is easy with a few simple tricks. Let's get started with these red velvet cake pops for Valentine's Day. We start with the basics. A simple box mix will make a great foundation for cake pops. Enhance your mix by swapping out the water for milk, melted butter for oil, and adding an extra egg. The result is a much richer, more flavorful cake. Once mixed, you're ready for our next secret. Bake your batter as a full-size cake, not in the silicone cake pop mold. Then take your cooled cake and gently crumble it into a large bowl. From here, use a spatula to mix in your homemade frosting. This will make your cake extra moist and rollable and gives your pops a spectacularly chewy texture. Now, a silicone cake pop mold does come in handy for the next step. Hand roll the pops and place them in the mold so that they keep their shape in the fridge. Once completely chilled, prep your toppings and then start dipping. Be sure to work quickly, dipping only a few at a time and decorating as you go so that your sprinkles stay in place. One more secret, memorize these tips because these tasty treats will go fast. We hope you enjoyed crafting cake pops with us. Get the full details on our blog by checking out 7 Steps to Perfect Valentine's Day Cake Pops. And if you're craving more sweet adventures, then stay tuned for more baking fun, DIYs, and holiday decor.